So for my program, I have just a test array that I was going to run through here for the sake of time. So as you can see, it prints out the original array and then the sorted array. And then with my test cases, so I have an empty list test case, which outputs empty list. My large unsorted goes up to 1,000 and it does sort the large list. My small unsorted starts out reverse actually and then sorts through that. My duplicate list is going to have two 25s and two 34s. So it does sort those properly. And then my sorted list comes out as a sorted list. My negatives start out unsorted and then start with the highest or lowest negative up to 24. And then I do have some asserts as well that also passed all of their tests.